Abusua no mo bebre na ekoso awiase wem ti na se no mana akokosoro na ekokosoro ye be ma wa update kakra in a freestyle na video we say na abusua ya bre 3 videos a day no be joke. Well, it's like this, no mo bebre na ekoso ntini ne wahala ekoso wo Ghana na fe de wiase afa na ba bia ye wi na fe de end no with Stone Boy Shatawale asase radio clash yes asie Abusua next specific wahala we no nye wani mu gani nyina by heart ansa na yete ekire ode no ntini starting from by heart number 1 UK ehọ na omo na eje nipa ba ku bi a abusua no de minim se na adwen no ate o se die yun man yi wo 52 years a yeso no ye adwuma on nursing home sa na ye ka no ba bi a mpanimfo munyinyini duru ba bi a ye de omo koso omo hwe omo e bi a no munyo obi obetra no ho ofie ne ye keka ho na we na in the kaze corona zone num ho epu mu ho ena akoye onu wo sa na si ho ohwa mmerewafo yi abusua okoye abrewa ba ko no 72 years akwana koto ne mona akwa ko yusu no chese onu no corona ntimi mpie nkwa abonten na ohwa abrewa na oda ho na no se no this awheda abusua ena ko hiti abrewa no nyeso okobu no okoyusu ye chese abrewa no ne amana nka hwe no so yese abrewa no Alzheimer's omo ase omo nyini duru ba bia omo nkai no ma papa what you say ade bia ase disintegrate abusua ma men kan brofo ha na ne ye ni abre abusua abrewa no Alzheimer's I say onkai so betima ye bibi nne within a couple of minutes na na wura sin afi that type of mpani yade ne bi ndina akwa no mimi hu ni se bia na adwen ye ne se abrewa Alzheimer's dia na ni obetimi akwa isu abrewa ne nkai na we na abusua wo hwese ne situation ni sikokwo ye no wie ye no ena ne mma ne bade ne ho kan ne kora na abrewa ne tiantiam because we ade na akwa ne ye no anko yeza ti hwehwehwehwem ne ehu se sa akwa na akwakoto ne mo na ya ni kokko gina akoto a starting as o enyame ya menya sa ena ye de ho video ba ye se akwa no time say okwo inside one no say pie ne so ano nti say long story short no akwa ne kodam for 11 years good news nipa boni ni bi sen ntine wiase eso kokoda ni bi ni ho asiakwa. Moving on to story number 2 abusua kronfo bi ko wia bicycle e wo Dublin Ireland o wia bicycle no de ko e wom a na bicycle wura ono so koto se bicycle no e ye ne dia ena ono so kokko wia bicycle ne back no wia ye no Kenya news asemo atwere to o ma nipa na o be wia ne bicycle no abusua ne ma de e ba be deri wahala no na o de ti asem na otwere video ne kura we fa o say e bi ma yo o say if you are looking for the grey bike I stole it back it was mine photos plus serial number to the to prove so long saka so ba je zo ni a asa agwa no wakwa go wia kromfupani bike ena kromfupani aba beche no awia na ade back simple tietia. Now moving on to the good story of this wahala no chese mami ya gofo bi gangi up bo ni kunu wo Savannah region top wo say Kalanga wo say ya ho no eno dente abusua yesi nipa na omoboa masa ankwase asem ni nyina ko so say ya che maako 6 nro ze na no ye che baako na first na ye 5 na ma che baako aka ho na nipa na nkasa na okura book ayi na yesi book o se dia na shantuma nu na no de bo na hwe picture na utimu ze o de bo maame no abusua yesi ono no odwane ye chese bo dwane kura odo anko ye konfo na nka esi otimu spiritual things na nka omo pe no kura no nko be ye durama owo adura anka ebe biri omu nyina ni so no odo na dwane na we na esi wo ma ya kwakoso an wo yeji which is Bono East ho abusua ya koso ano which is very good news wankasa yezu ono no 40 years na wo 40 years omo ye nsa nkwase asem we ni nyina no ne wanyini pa ne ono a owo 40 years omo maka 25 32 ni ne keka ho so me bompa ye se we no ho ye mfa ni nkogina court we ka tete na nka firing squad ni bi oti ase se atoda bia ye se ye court ma ho kwan ne ebu obi ansa na ye de na ko prison party ase because this woman no ono no so hia na nke eba na so ni bi because you can't do that to somebody and expect to eat a bankwan enkoye Nya buja ya si aso no. Ho report no say definitely send a basic progressive ya no matter ya keep you updated. That is the good news. Ya so no, ye bedi na asem, ye be charge ne for meda, obekwa akodam na afedi na duru no wo no, ode apia free ho. Nonsense. Moving on, abusia omo adwen yo omo zo nim no omo bebere wo wi ase no bata to da no omo kan sem bi ase omo no omo wi free omo hu se ya na de bi ya tia fa so omo timo se de hu. Lady bi abusia mi nim so expect you se de hu, o no so expect. Ni din brad se ni din de Nadia Bokodi. Wuti ni kura ti mu se ade bi e be firi nanu ba bi anye papa. Abusia wo se wo do wo yere wo do girl wo do wo mpena wo do side chick that much abusia. So any period kura yusu. This is nonsense. This can never happen. What you say? Hey, Yankopon sheda onim bibi bia no hye ne noma se ne sitie. Bibi ba mani metwa mansa. What you say? This lady I say omachinitum because you can do that. Abuja mu adwen or comment section na say for this specific story ankasa. How can we do that? It doesn't matter. Just say no. Yakuyanim. Now, Abuja, before I get into Shatawale Stoneboy clash was I said, Abuja, there is this one story about normal SEC or Lebanon explosion in sea or wa, ewa capital Beirut, Abuja. I say normal baby, I match, I say, Abuja, normal equals for one. Now, I don't know. Now, I can say a terrorist attack, but it doesn't seem to be like a terrorist attack. No more can say some explosive materials be almost confiscated here. And no almost on port or and a bushing port on almost store. Obi anemia happen here. And not just a baby, a bomb with a genuine and I explode. The same as explode, yeah, it seems causes that kind of damage too. Or more surrounding in I say a happy one, so who's a port on Zuno. Until the explosion happened and a this one just a news one and then you poof. Abusia and I need to say when the camera near true no matter any you know. The war around war way be an abusia a bows where you can see say Jack and easy, which is Adebia a prepare nipa bebre. Now article I'm hearing right say nipa 4,000 and a prepare and a 78 and a still no go so more count to still no nipa can say but this na war under the rubble, what I say. Yes, hospitals are even comes in Beirut, one of the brain because of you see, you know. And is a military for about more help or more transport to people only be from a country, but at the end happening to other towns, nearby towns in any Kika. Other nations, some better, more support to before. And the reason why it had exploded, and yes, I don't want to get this wrong. Dine, I said. There was a kind of explosive materials, which is ammonium nitrate. It was 2,700 tons, which means a nyade ketwa. And now, just say, Nina explode at once. Imagine a chain bomb wankasa. So that is the reason why you kind of saying you hear what Lebanon saying more news. And I just say, we share videos, see pictures, been my Montana. My goodness. We just say, I would have some mancasa. And I've seen other Ghanaians or more was a or my video or more say, or more than even or more them crown or Busian to say, assess ya or more pagana bunch or so many them or more form, if possible.
Munsho and Penny Fiber what for? Ambassador Munsho Edem, Nini na bubuno, and then I mean I'll buy a home by a pian sana. I dear see an uncle and Diana ebe who are there with. Munsho no me fire and as I said I am a boy them a munina ne bubu a dino ne bubu or dino ne bubu.
Now I know say I think Kennedy Japan did a very good thing like not so long ago. I go call rescue Bibrina free Lebanon and now more people there no still need help. Until a Ghana buying a video when I said there is any help possible for them, then please let's help them. That would be very necessary, Ankasa. So, Abusia, let's go pray for Lebanon. It's very necessary in this specific period. Thank you. Now, you have got the clash. Now, Abusia, definitely the clash now. Now, the hyping up to this event was massive, Ankasa. Acquired to the levels and as a mini kureja. So, no, there isn't a boy budget permission. Now, Abuja is over 2 hours long. We are not going to watch all of that. What they are saying. Now you're getting into the interesting bit. Yeah, my son boy Kasa Kakra. Abuja, check how real this is.
This is real. This is about to get realer. So you guys stay in touch. Stay tuned. It's a big thing. Beam Nation President, aka the One God speaking.
And I shut away the trap. Man could be brain almost when you deal with me say happening for real. No? This is real.
I believe say most people don't really think say this go happen like this, but you know, thanks to coronavirus, Mr. Coronavirus, you know, he has tried so much, you know, that he can bring us together like this.
Now Abuja movie, you know, the clash now is more like I say boxing fight. What I say, face to face kind of, you know. You need Bukumbanguni, you take power, you know, is omojina. Never a penny was running your uncle. Now. It looks like a stone boy. Stone boy film no form. Video no.
You stand at the edge right here. This is all part of the acceptance. Yeah. It's all part of the acceptance. Right. And let's see the action.
It's it.
Now Abuja afterwards, it was like a comedy show. No, these guys are dope entertainers. Like the whole video, no, well, may play a little bit longer. Kakra video, of course, why as I case you couldn't watch everything on Assassin Radio. And I'm link you full video on YouTube description as well. So Abuja, please click as soon copy because it was a whole lot of fun and a whole lot of interesting stuff. Starting from the get-go, you know, performances, talks, Abuja no everybody, but oh dear, you have got the interesting bit in this one, the clash. You can't say a crash, but clash.
Small boy, you won't do like you won't fight your father.
Assassin Sound Clash.
You don't remember 2010?
Sometimes if you say Assassin Radio, they stay like Labadi Beach, eh?
They still. You make one.
Charlie.
And they can like a guy. You,
no,
second coming, I will can your top like a guy. You see the way they say Jesus go come?
I like the way you're singing my song.
Because you don't say they like you, so I'm not going to kill you plenty.
We are baby people there, we so no. But here there no tribalism. If the Mike way, you kill you, Mike.
Okay, they don't reach yet. They don't be too much your hobby.
This is somebody called Beyonce. You go feature a few or you say with this.
You see who they talking all my time. If you are not being party be if you are not. If you are not sing the backup for the song inside.
Don't break my relationship, my guy.
Yeah, man.
Why they do that? Be serious. We they can't clash. I don't like this thing in row. This listen and talk. This year as we there right now, police for there. Because you know they go come out gun. Thank you very much. Who gave him that name?
It's another if he talks. You know, so when you kill the person, finish, you be dead man too. You don't talk to dead people.
Hey! Punchline!
He will leave you. After the clash. And most of you will be at his state this thing. You tell me say I'll be dead man. Hey. No, I don't go do but as people don't tell me this, I don't go do this thing.
Hey!
Aya, you agree already. You lie, you agree already.
Even though we say this clash, If you so I like that name, Invited Ghost. That be how I will come to you, Kakai. They tell you already. Make people not talk plenty. I don't want to talk. But you see your fans, tell them say after this clash, I will do something for them. And that thing they no go like back, I will do for them. You know what I will do for them? Them they will bring them a vote to me and I will decide the next president of Ghana. I they tell you. I they tell you something. You like that thing?
That's why people will be like, say, that you all been plenty. Me, I tell you already. If it goes to where they talk, you know, Samai.
Charlie. Your guarantee where
You
you got
get
there. You got there, you went guarantee.
The guarantee with customers, you know, see how.
You customize.
You don't, no, if you don't customize, it will be my own.
My guy, this one strictly magazine.
You want to do so, it's a customize. Pure leather.
Don't remove him. I know say you be superstar. Don't remove him. Don't remove him.
You know, see how. If my name no date up, I no go wear tear rubber, you know, see, you know, step ground.
Beam!
If it's somebody in rent.
It's a beam thing.
I don't like the scent with the voice.
If it's a Santa logo kill you, this I no go talk.
You come with scent. I like your shoe, bro. I like them. Maybe after the clash, if you know that, you go show me where you buy from.
No, but for real, you know, this is made in Ghana, so and I know the government.
I
is
tell
talking
you,
about
magazine.
made in Ghana stuff.
Made in Ghana.
No.
Support made in Ghana. I like what
See,
you're wearing. Yeah, I like what
It
you're
was
wearing.
produced in Italy,
What?
but it's made
By
a
a Ghanaian.
Ghanaian.
Okay,
You know,
alright,
but
alright.
that don't mean say we can't make it in Ghana. So big up to all of the people making stuff from Ghana by Ghana. And buy Ghana, you know, you have to buy Ghana.
No.
And buy into the class because I go kill them. Anyhow.
Yeah.
Up or down.
We dream with a dream.
That already.
Short men never die like that, too.
Hey.
You know how
You agree say be short man, you agree.
Bad man, I be short, but I be taught spiritually.
But anyway, that's it. Big up.
Thanks, man.
Yo,
Thanks,
so
man. It's all love, man.
This is
It's all
real.
love. Yeah.
This is gonna happen.
Yeah.
The only time you guys see us laugh is this time. The rest of
Straight. For the street.
reaction time.
You
Thank
know,
you,
my
brother.
friend. Thank you.
Yep. Give it up.
Now, Buzioti said, these two guys, you do a but the moment I say, he said, Mr. Kofi Aban, I think it's gonna settle the beef between Stonebwoy Shatawale Dada. We all know, say, Unia, they are cool now. So, they tell, as I say, yeah, no, in the way, because still that they are beefing, they have this beef, you know, and some babishi and shit. And I mean, when the moon is answering, this thing, no, I dare be as a for hype and as I know there for entertainment for Corona, depending on a month for Wolfie and Philly, but I didn't quite get it in the manner, say, as a omunu need beef now. Then, now, mutuum the name, then they are oh, yeah. But the interesting bit is a Stonebwoy banner. I was a channel for two because no one is a Shatawale vessel age now. And at the moment, I shut up vessel to be as a Stonebwoy company to a cheer coin. So that was interesting. I was either way. The next clash in here now, that is the question I mean here. Maybe I may think it's a kind of thing. We've been making it in Japan, but I don't know how that will go. And that's look at the Japan. Who knows? Every ground by family capital. Who knows? Come buna kade. Abuja either way. Link in the YouTube video description as well. You drop one interesting video on Margaret Daily about my Lydia Afro shop where we shall know ma. Some women, some Ghanaians, some people in the diaspora. What you say? Bluff can see. Or more yet, you what the community never bridge now, which is massive. One video of that, you are dropping on Margaret Daily. Link in the YouTube video description as well. Click as soon as I go checking it out now when you better want to. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to your YouTube channel. Now click on what man so a new video will be on. Bye now, Saka. Till we meet again, Abuja. Adios.